everyone, welcome to this fun and easy grammar lesson. Today we are going to learn about adverbs. First of all, let's understand what is an adverb. An adverb is a word that gives us more information about a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. It tells us how something happens, when it happens, where it happens, or how much something happens. For example, she runs quickly. Here the word quickly tells us about how she runs. So, quickly is an adverb. There are different types of adverbs. Let's take a quick look. Adverbs of manner tells us how something happens. Adverb of time tells when something happens. Adverb of place tells where something happens. Adverb of frequency tells us how often something happens. And adverb of degree tells us how much or to what extent. We will now learn each of these in detail. Adverb of manner. Let's start with the adverb of manner. It tells us how something happens. These adverbs oftenly end in ly. For example, he spoke softly. It tells us how he spoke. Another example, she dances gracefully. So it tells how she dances. So softly and gracefully are adverb of manner. Adverb of time. Next is the adverb of time. It tells us when something happens. For example, I will go tomorrow. The word tomorrow tells us when I will go. Another one. He came yesterday. So, yesterday is the adverb of time. These words gives us the time of an action. Adverb of place. Now comes the adverb of place. It tells where something happens. Let's take a look at some examples. The kids are playing outside. Outside tells us where they are playing. Another one. She looked everywhere. It tells us where she looked. So, outside and everywhere are adverb of place. Adverb of frequency and degree. This slide shows more types of adverbs. First of all is adverb of frequency. It tells how often something happens. For example, he is always studying. She never gives up. Always and never show how often something happens. Next is adverb of degree. It tells us how much or to what level. Example, I am very tired. She is too fast. So, very and too are adverbs of degree. These words give strength or intensity to what we are saying. Quiz time. Let's check understanding with a quick quiz. Are you ready? Identify the adverb. He sings sweetly. Yes, the word sweetly is the adverb. It tells how he sings. What kind of adverb is yesterday? It's an adverb of time. Fill in the blanks. She reads dash how. You could say she reads quickly or she reads neatly. Well done if you got them right. Thank you for watching. I hope you now understand what an adverb is and how to use different types in sentences. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.